What's that mean, Norm?
If we're going to do
I've got a young lady over here related to the drummer.
Really, John? Her name's John.
I was telling her that I'm doing a Dean Martin show in, not next week, the week after. No one cares, no one will come.
Yeah, you're right there. Well, who's Dean Martin? He's out the back tonight, actually. Real Dean Martin's out the
So
back.
I've got to sing this one and the dances like this one. So, and I haven't done it for a long time. It's been banned from Play-it, but we're making a special effort.
Just 1 second. Dean Martin, just put your hand up, would you, mate? Please. Stick your hand up, Dean. Just put your hand up. That's Dean Martin up the back there, folks. He's playing next, is he? Ah, yes. Get on the bloody, get on the bloody.
Chicago, with a broken heart and a woman on my mind. That's the man behind the bar for the jukebox, and the music takes me back to Tennessee. There's a fool in the corner crying to a little old wine drinking me. Baby, just last week from down to Nashville was a baby left for Florida on a train. I thought I'd get a job and just forget her, but in Chicago, a broken heart is still the same. I asked the man behind the bar for the jukebox, and the music takes me back to Tennessee. There's a fool in the corner crying to a little wine drinker me. Play something, no? In Chicago, a broken-hearted sailor was saying, I asked the man behind the bar for the jukebox, and the music takes me back to Tennessee. They asked, who's a fool?